Okay. So this is the next concept of capacitance. So finding equivalent capacitance of the circuit when plates are inserted between each other. Clear, no? So here how many plates are present totally? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plates are present. Clear, no? And where are the terminals which are present? Terminals are A and B. What is meant by terminals? Terminals means what? Battery connection is present between A and B. Okay, ma? And here these two plates, they are connected by a connecting wire also. Okay. Now we are supposed to find out what is the total equivalent capacitance if this type of connections are given. Clear, no? So first of all, what I have to do? First of all, we will name these plates. So plate 1, plate 2, plate 3 and plate 4. Clear, no? Now positive terminal is A, negative terminal is B, no? So it means that I can connect a battery like this. This is the meaning of this one, no? Battery can be connected like this. Okay. So A is connected to positive terminal of the battery, B is connected to negative terminal of the battery. Clear, no? It means whichever plate is connected to positive terminal, on that plate totally I can see positive charges to be present, no? Clear, no? On this plate totally you will see positive charges. What is the reason? Because it is connected to positive plate of the battery. Clear, no? Similarly, which plate is connected to negative terminal? Plate number 3. So on this total plate, I can find negative charges to be present. Are you able to understand? Now if you see here, so on this first side of second plate, positive charges are present, no? These positive charges, they will induce negative charges on the first plate. Electromagnetic induction concept is there, no? So if I bring one charged body and uncharged body closer to each other, charged body will attract opposite charges on the next body. Clear, no? So therefore, plate number 1, on plate number 1, what you can find? You can find negative charges to be induced. Because of which charges? Because of the charges which are present on the second plate. Clear, no? Similarly, here you can find third plate is negatively charged, no? So because of these negative charges, you can find positive charges to be induced on the fourth plate. Clear, no? So this is the total arrangement. Now we have to draw an equivalent circuit so that I can simplify this circuit and I can calculate the equivalent capacitance. Okay. So start from A. So I will start from A and I will end up to B. Then in that connection I have to find which capacitors are connected in series and which of them are connected in parallel. Clear, no? So start from A. So this is my terminal A. Okay, ma? And from terminal A I can see that 2 and 1. Here there is one capacitor which is formed, no? What is a capacitor actually? Sima. So if this plate is positively charged, second plate should be negatively charged, no? So this is called as a capacitor. Are you able to understand? So second plate on this side, it is positively charged, no? And first plate on the same side, it is negatively charged. So plates 2 and 1, they will make one capacitor, no? So this is first capacitor. Are you able to understand? In between plates 2 and plate 1, there is one capacitor which is formed, no? So therefore, how can I draw this one? So this is one capacitor, 2, 1. Are you able to understand? Now see. Now from A itself, I can see that 2 and 3, this is also forming one capacitor, no? This is positive plate, this is negative plate. So plate number 2 and plate number 3, they are also forming one capacitor. Okay. So therefore, 2, 3, shall I connect in series to 2, 1 or in parallel to 2, 1? Are you able to understand what I am saying? Clear, no? So 2, 1 is one capacitor. There is one more capacitor, second capacitor, 2, 3. Plate number 2, plate number 3. Second capacitor is there, no? That capacitor, shall I connect in series to 2, 1 or in parallel to 2, 1? Parallel. Why? Series. Series అయితే ఎందుకు, parallel అయితే ఎందుకు? Anybody? Sima, this is second plate, no? And on the total second plate, there will be equal potential, no? If I connect this one in series connection, then the potential of first capacitor and potential of second capacitor will be different. Okay, but this plate, it is common to 2 1, it is common to 2 3 also. It means that this capacitor should be connected in parallel connection. So this is 2 and this is 3. Are you able to understand? Because this is plate number 2, this is also plate number 2. Both of them, they are connected to which point? Terminal A. And on terminal A there will be common potential. Potential is same, no, for both of them. So therefore these two capacitors should be connected in parallel connection, because this is also second plate, this is also second plate. Both of them, they are presented same potential of BA, potential existing at point A. Okay ma? So this is one connection. Now see, still what I can do? Okay ma? Now if I start from point B, clear na ma? 4 3 is forming one capacitor, no? So this is capacitor number 3. 3 4 or 4 3 is also forming one capacitor, no ma? Clear, no? And in this process 1 and 4, they are connected by a wire, no? So it means that 1 and 4, this I can call it as fourth plate, no? Why I can call it as fourth plate? Because 1 and 4, they are connecting by a connecting wire. So 1 and 4, they are connected by a connecting wire. So 4 is connected to which plate here? Third plate. Clear, no ma? So 4 is a positively charged plate, 3 is a negatively charged plate. Satisfied, no? Clear, no ma? So therefore this is plate number 3, this is also plate number 3. So common plates, no? So you can join them. And point B is connected to which plate? Point B is connected to third plate. This is point B. Satisfied, no? This is the circuit. Are you able to understand ma, how we have drawn? So you have to use your lot of common sense ma, then only you can solve this kind of problems. Common sense antane koncham meeku. Are you able to understand? Now see, so this is capacitance C, this is also capacitance C, and this is also capacitance C. Because distance between the plates is same, charges present on the plates also same. So capacitance will be equal. So C and C, they are connected in series connection, no? And to this connection, this one is connected in parallel connection. So how can I draw the equivalent capacitance? Because C and C, they are in series connection, this will become C by 2. Clear, no? And this one is C. Clear, no? So this is terminal A and this is terminal B. Understood, no? Now C by 2 and C, they are connected in parallel connection. So therefore what is the total equivalent capacitance? So C by 2 plus C is equals to 3C by 2. So 3C divided by 2. So this is the equivalent capacitance between A and B. Have you understood ma, the method of solving? Okay. So this type of questions are very very common in the examinations ma. Okay. Very carefully you should understand the connections. So if there is any wrong connection, instead of getting positive marks, you will get negative marks. Unde marku lechipotayi anamata. So you should be very careful. Clear? See ma. So this is the given question. So plate 1 and 3, they are connected by a common wire ma. And 2 is connected to positive terminal of the battery, B is connected to negative terminal of the battery. Clear, no? So I will start from A. So from A, okay. So 2 1. So here I will find negative charges to be induced, no? Positive charges will attract negative charges on the second plate. Okay. So therefore what are the charges which are present on the third plate? So positive charges will induce negative charges and negative charges will induce positive charges on this plate. That's all, no? This is the given arrangement. So therefore if I start from A, 2 1, this is one capacitor, no? So second plate, first plate, 2 1, one plate. Okay. Similarly 2 and 3, this forms second capacitor, no? 2 3. Okay. But it is common to second plate only, no? It means the second capacitor is in parallel to first capacitor. So therefore I can write, so this is 2 and this is 3. This is one capacitor. So 1 and 3, they are connected by common wire, no? So 1 and 3, they are connected by common wire. Still anything? So 3 and 4, here also there is one capacitor formed, no? 3 and 4, this is capacitor number 3. Clear, no? So this is the third plate, no? So 3 4. And to the fourth plate, second terminal B is connected. Satisfied, no? All the conditions are satisfied. Clear now? Now just find out the equivalent capacitance. So this is C, this is also C, and this is C. So therefore this is 2C and this one is C. So this is point A and this one is point B. Clear now? So 2C and C, they are connected in series connection. So 2C into C divided by 2C plus C. So 2C into C divided by 3C. So therefore it is 2C divided by 3. That is the equivalent capacitance. Fine now? So C value also, if you want to find out, if you can find out, it is 2C by 3, no? So 2 by 3 into epsilon naught A by D. You can write like this also. That's all, no? Because for parallel plate capacitors, this is the formula of capacitance, no? Epsilon naught A by D. Okay, that's all. So CMA. So first of all, we will name these plates 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 2 and 3, they are connected to positive plates, no? So this is my capacitance. I can draw positive charges on all these plates. Why I am drawing positive? They are connected to A, no? A is connected to positive terminal of the battery. B is connected to negative terminal, no? I will draw all negative charges like this. Clear, no? So I will start from A. So starting from A, clear? So 2, 1 is one capacitor. 2, 1, first capacitor. And 3, 4 is one more capacitor. But 3 and 4, 2 and 3, they are connected to same terminal, no? Are you able to understand? See, plate number 2 and plate number 3, they are connected to what? Point A. Point A means same terminal, no? So definitely 2 and 3, they must be parallel to each other. Okay? So this is my second capacitor. And here I don't find any capacitor because this is also positively charged plate. This is also positively charged plate. This does not form a capacitor. Are you able to understand, no? So therefore, that's all. Which one is connected to B? 4 is connected to B. So this is B. That's all. That's all. So these two capacitors are connected in parallel connection. So therefore, what is my equivalent capacitance? Equivalent capacitance is 2C, or 2 into epsilon naught A divided by D. That's all. That is my answer. Okay. CMA. So distribute the charges first of all. So plate number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear, no? So 1, 3 and 5, they are connected to positive terminal of the battery. Clear, no? 3 is also connected. Okay. And 5 is also connected. Okay. Plates which are connected to negative terminal are 2 and 4. So negative, 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 negative. Okay, ma? Negative. That's all. No? Now start from A. So if I start from A, 1 and 2, one capacitor. Okay, ma? And still, ma? 3 and 2, one capacitor. 3 and 2. Okay, ma? Next 3 and 4, one more capacitor. Okay. Next 5 and 4, one more capacitor. And plates number 2 and 4, they are connected to negative terminal, no? It means all the terminals are common. So this is my point B. That's all. Is it clear, ma? Okay. Have you understood? So plates 1, 3, 5, they are connected to positive terminal, no? So plates 2 and 4, they are connected to negative terminal. It means all of them, they are in parallel connection. So what is the equivalent capacitance? C equivalent is equals to 4C. Okay, ma? So 4 into epsilon naught A divided by D. That's all. That is my answer. Okay. So let us see this circuit, ma? So plates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear, no? So which plates are connected to positive and which are connected to negative? 3 and 5. They are connected to positive terminal of the battery. Okay. And 5. Okay. And which are connected to negative terminal here? Plate B is connected to negative terminal. So these negative charges will induce positive charges on first plate. And these positive charges will induce negative charges on fourth plate. These positive charges also will induce negative charges on fourth plate. That's all, Nama. Now let us see how I can redraw this circuit. I will start from A, ma. So A, 3 and 2, this will form one capacitor, no? Clear, Nama? So 3 and 2, they will form one capacitor, and 2 is connected to plate B. 2 is connected to plate B, no? Terminal B. So I am writing B here. Okay. Next, any other capacitor? 3 and 4, they also will form one capacitor. Clear, Nama? 3 and 4. So therefore, 3 and 4 also will form one capacitor. Similarly, 5 and 4. 5 and 4 also will form one capacitor. 5 is connected to plate A only, no? It means these two capacitors, they are in parallel. So this is 5 and this is 4. I can join both of them like this. Clear, Nama? So there is one more capacitor, this capacitor 1 and 2. So this will form the fourth capacitor. Clear, Nama? But you see how they are connected. Second plate is connected to B. Clear, Nama? And next one, fourth one, this negative plate is connected to positive plate of first plate. And first plate and fourth plate, they are common. Clear, no? So first plate and fourth plate, because they are common, fourth plate is connected to first plate, and first plate is forming capacitance with second plate, and second plate is connected to terminal B. That's all. This is my connection. Have you understood, ma? Shall I explain once again? Completed? You can do in any method, ma. But connections should be 100% correct. That's it. Are you able to understand? Now everything is satisfied, no? So plate 2 is connected to B, ma. So here also plate 2 is connected to B only. Okay? And from A, how many capacitors are starting? First capacitor, second capacitor, third capacitor. 1, 2, 3. Satisfied. Are you able to understand? Now see which one of them is in series and which one of them they are in parallel. So C, C, C and C. These two, they are connected in which connection? Parallel connection. So instead of both of them, I can write a single capacitor, Nama. Single capacitor of capacitance 2C. That's all, no? Now if you see, 2C and 2C, they are connected in series connection. So therefore, how much it will be? 2C into C divided by 2C plus C. Clear, no? So 2C into C divided by 3C. So therefore, 2C by 3. So instead of both of them, I can write a single capacitor whose capacitance is equal to, okay, ma, 2C divided by 3. Now 2C by 3 and 2C. This one is 2C, na? C only, no? Then why did I write 2C? Oh, plate 2, na? Sorry. Okay. So C and 2C by 3, they are connected in parallel connection. So therefore 2C by 3 plus C. So 5C by 3. That is the equivalent capacitance. Clear, Nama? So therefore C equivalent is how much? 5C by 3, or you can write 5 by 3 into epsilon naught A divided by D. That's it. This is how we can do the calculation. Have you understood? Okay. Now see, ma. So here, these are the two capacitors, ma. So plate area is A, distance between the plates is D. So up to half of the distance, a dielectric of K1 is present, and in the next half, a dielectric of dielectric constant K2 is placed. Then what is the total equivalent capacitance? So we will do one thing. First of all, we will calculate C1. Okay, ma? C1. So K1 epsilon, and how much area this dielectric is covering, ma? Total A it is covering. This dielectric is covering total area of the plate, no? Divided by how much distance it is covering. This is D by 2. Understood, no? So therefore 2K1 epsilon naught A divided by D. This is the capacitance of first capacitor. Second capacitor, same, no? So 2K2 epsilon naught A divided by D. That's all. Okay. Now the question is whether they are connected in series connection or parallel connection. Definitely series connection. Why they are connected in series connection? Seema. In series connection, this is a positive plate, this is a negative plate. Next plate is positive, next plate is negative. This is series connection. Now if you observe here, for example, consider this is positive plate. Then this one should be negative. This is negative. It means immediately this one should be positive. That's all. No? If I consider this is the separation present between them, then this is how charges should be present, no? Plus, minus, plus, minus. This is plus, so this should be minus. This is minus, this should be plus. Same type of connection. So definitely I can say they are connected in series connection. So therefore, what is the total equivalent capacitance? C1, C2 divided by C1 plus C2. That's all. Or you can do one thing. 1 by C is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So 1 by C equivalent is equals to 1 by C1 is how much? D divided by 2K1 epsilon naught A plus D divided by 2K2 epsilon naught into A. Is there anything which I can take common? So D divided by 2 epsilon naught A, if I take common, then it is 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2. So this is equals to 1 by C equivalent. Okay, ma? So 1 by C equivalent is equals to D divided by 2 epsilon naught A multiplied by K1 plus K2 divided by K1 K2. So therefore C equivalent is how much? So 2 epsilon naught A K1 K2 divided by, okay ma, D into K1 plus K2. Okay, so that is the equivalent capacitance. Fine. See ma. So this is the given circuit given ma. So these are two plates A and B, and in between plates there are three dielectrics which are present ma. K1, K2, K3. K1 is covering total distance D, but it is covering only half of the plate K1. K2 is covering only half of the plate and distance is also half. K3 is covering half of the plate, distance is also half. Now if I see here, this capacitor and this capacitor, they are in series connection. Why they are in series connection? Because plates, they are not common. To this capacitor and this capacitor, plates are not common. So definitely they are not connected in parallel, they are connected in series. Now if you take this total as one capacitor, this capacitor is in parallel to these two capacitors. Clear now? Why? Because to these capacitors and this capacitor, plate is common. Clear now? It means how I can draw this diagram, let us see. I will call this one as C1, I will call this capacitor C2, and I will call this capacitor C3. So 2C1, C2 and C3, they are in parallel. That's all, Nama. C2 and C3 are parallel to which capacitor? C1. And C2 and C3, they are in series. It means the equivalent capacitance is, this is the diagram which I can draw. This is terminal A and this one is terminal B. That's all. Clear, Nama? So this is C2 and this one is C3. Have you understood, Ma? C2 and C3, they are not parallel, no? Plates are not common. It means they are in series connection. To these two capacitors, this one is in parallel. Okay. Why this one is in parallel? Because to these capacitors and this capacitor, plate is common. So definitely to these two capacitors, this one is in parallel connection. Understood? No? This is the equivalent capacitance. Now just you can calculate the values. Nama. C1 will be how much? C1 will be K value is 4 epsilon naught. It is covering only half of the plate, but distance is complete. Clear, no? C2 value 3 epsilon naught. Area, it is covering only half of the area. Distance is also half. C3 6 epsilon naught. Area is half. Distance is also half. That's all, no? So therefore 2 get cancelled. So this is 2 epsilon naught A by D. This is 3 epsilon naught A by D. This is 6 epsilon naught A by D. Clear, no? So which one they are connected in series connection? C2 and C3, they are connected in series connection. So C2 and C3, because they are connected in series connection, how can I do the calculation? 1 by C, or just I can calculate C1, C2, C3 by C2 plus C3. C2, 3 epsilon naught A by D multiplied by 6 epsilon naught A by D divided by, okay ma, 3 epsilon naught A by D plus 6 epsilon naught A by D. 1 epsilon naught A by D will get cancelled ma, so therefore 6 3s are 18. 18 epsilon naught A by D divided by 6 plus 3 is how much? 9. So 2s are, so therefore 2 epsilon naught A divided by D. So this is the equivalent capacitance of C2 and C3. Okay ma? Now C2 and C3, they are in parallel with the C1, no? Huh? So therefore what is the total capacitance? So C equivalent is equals to, just to add them, so 2 epsilon naught A by D plus what is C1? 2 epsilon naught A by D. So therefore C equivalent is equals to 4 epsilon naught A divided by D. That's it. That is our answer. Is it clear ma? Very simple.